Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a stunning flashback effect using CapCut for PC. So it's perfect for vlogs, edit short films or storytelling video. So now you can just first put on your main video into the timeline like this. And then go to the part where you want the flashback to happen. In this case, I'm going to just put on in here and then just split the clip. And now you can just add your flashback video and drag it into the timeline in between these two clips. So you can just drag it like this. Okay. And now the video is in between the clips. So now this video will look like this. I'm going to trim the flashback video first, like this. Now you can just add transitions to the clips by going to the transition option and then just find the white flash transition. So add it into the clip and click on apply to all. So this is the video with the transitions on it. And now to distinct the main video and the flashback video, you can add filter to the flashback clip by going to filters in here, click on the mono category and then just find the mono filter that suits your mood. Let's say I'm going to just add the fade filter in here. You can just drag it and add into the flashback effect. Now the filter is added and let's see the result. And I'm going to adjust the filters again. Okay, so I've already adjusted and now it will look like this. So guys, that's how you can add the flashback effects to your clips. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.